Good morning guys, just another little video. So we're doing a bit of trip prep this morning, getting ready for our 2-week trip down the border track shortly. So Scotty's turned up with his new Ranger. Now it's a sport model, and like I said in the last video, we went to Canberra up the Fishwick and got the tray canopy put on. Now it's a Trojan tray canopy. I think that cost him about 27 to get put on. They took the tub free of charge, and they've put that on. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Now he's also got a GVM upgrade from one of the local guys here in town. That cost about 9,1. So slowly getting there. Got some tyres to go on next week, so we're getting there slowly. But today we've got to put his awning on and his fridge slide in. So a couple of little jobs to do, but we'll have a look at this tray canopy. So here on the passenger side, Scotty's got his living section, I suppose, the living quarters. So this is the fridge slide we've got to put in, the MSA. But the electrical system here, it's called the Weekender package. It's a Red Arc system. It's got a Red Arc 100 amp lithium battery there to just power a few basic outlets and lights and whatnot. He's got the pantry here, all very nice. You know, just a table there and nice big storage drawer going on. So that's pretty nice. Got a jerry can holder here on the back and spare tyre carrier there, even though you're still using the standard one under there at the moment. And then this side, we've got a shelf to put in here, probably next week, and just a heap of storage on this side, so he can fit that out however he wants. So plenty of room, heaps of room, and he'll be happy with that. Now I forgot to mention the GVM upgrade he had. It's a Tough Dog kit. He's got the airbags in the back. So what does that take you up to, mate? Hey? What's that take you up to? 3750 on the Ford Ranger. So yeah, still a big improvement from what he had as standard. So we're going to get on, do these couple of little jobs, and we'll show you how we go with all that throughout the day. So Scotty's just reading the instructions, and then we're going to get to work. So we'll see how this pans out. Shouldn't be too hard. Bit of an update, guys. So where we're up to at the moment, the awning on the canopy, the awning door, or the canopy door, opens up too high for where we want to put the 270-degree awning. So we just tried to move the strut to a different angle, but that didn't work out. Our strut's too long for where we want to position it. So we just jumped in the car, and now we're going over to the local hardware store, and we're going to see if they've got some shorter struts that will you know, get us out of trouble. So you know, it's all fun when you're mucking around, you know, and sort of modifying things, but we'll see how we go. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we've been to 4 different shops in town, and they've all got you know, different brands, different lengths, different Newton meters. So sort of we couldn't find what we wanted. So I think we'll have to get something online and get it delivered, and then we'll finish that job, and then we'll mount the awning, so you know, we don't have any clearance issues. But we're going to go home now, and we're going to get stuck into this fridge slide. So that's the next job on the list. We'll get that sorted so we can cross that off. We're back in the shed now. Our next job was get this fridge slide in, this MSA slide, but we've come across another little problem. The slide doesn't come out far enough to clear the edge of the canopy. So we've got a few clearance issues, but cut a long story short, we've solved that. We've gotten on to Huntsman Products in Melbourne. We're going to get some longer slides for this thing. Another 4 inches, another 10 centimeters, and that'll give us enough room to come out, clear the edge of the canopy. So we'll just bolt those in when they get here. We're also going to get some new gas struts from the same place, just a bit shorter, and then, you know, once all this stuff's here, we can just bolt it on and get going, and then we can do the awning. So stay tuned. We'll give you an update as we go, and hopefully it'll all come together. Rightio guys, so another update. This is a week later. Now I can't quite remember what we were up to last, but now we've decided to get some new struts for the canopy door. So we got these UES struts. They're the same pressure, but they're about an inch shorter. So now the canopy door, if you can see up here, is level with the top of the canopy. So when we put the awning on, we won't have any clearance issues, and you know, it should all be sweet. And Scotty only being short like a hobbit, that's plenty of room for him to get under. So we're going to do the other side, and then we'll get onto the awning. We're just putting together these 3 brackets for the awning. Now we're going to use K-on stuff because it's good quality stuff. So it comes in a 2-part system. So you just bolt the plate onto the bottom plate, and got 3 of those to do. We're just putting those together, and then we're going to get this up into position and just sort of fine tune it where he wants it to go. Okie dokie guys, so we've got these 3 brackets lined up. They're all perfectly level. Now we're just going to get the awning up here and position it wherever he wants it, and then we might take it outside and open it up and just make sure it's all good. So that's our next little job. I'll climb up here. We've got the awning on. So there you go guys, we did get that mounted. We had to lift up the whole back plate here just for some clearance reasons there, but we've used that bolt in there, so we've still got 4 bolts attaching it, so that works fine. So that's another job done. Now all we've got to do is get this fridge slide in, but we're just waiting for the extra long runners so we can modify that, and we'll be good to go. So this trip of ours is approaching fast, so we've got a few little jobs just to get done before we go. Another week later guys, so another update. We've got the runners, these heavy duty runners here from Huntsman Products in Victoria. Good stuff, get a lot of stuff from them. And now we've just got to adapt that to the bottom of the fridge slide here, drill some new holes, line it all up, and we should be right to go. So that's our next job. We finally got that fridge slide in guys. It was a bit of work, took us a bit longer than we thought, mucking around re-drilling holes and everything, but we got the angle in. It all works, drops down nice, so that's another job done. So I think we're just about ready to go. I think we'll wrap it up there for this little episode, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.